LG Smart TV with WebOS is proud to be partnered with Netflix, the world's leading streaming internet video subscription service. All of our 2014 Ultra HD 4K models are compatible with Netflix 4K streaming for the next generation of smart TV video quality. In fact, Netflix is one of the very first destinations for 4K content that you can enjoy on your Ultra HD TV. Netflix 4K streaming requires a steady internet connection speed of 25 megabits per second or higher, and ideally, your service provider does not apply bandwidth restrictions or a data cap. To access Netflix, press the Home button on your Magic Remote, and then click on the Netflix tab on the launcher. The Netflix app will open, and on first use, you'll need to follow the basic on-screen instructions to either create a new account with a free 30-day trial, or activate your new LG TV as one of your authorized devices on your existing account. All subscription streaming plans above the basic single screen option include 4K content at no additional cost. Once you're in, you'll be free to browse all that Netflix has to offer. Netflix serves up a selection of popular shows and movies in 4K, with more titles being added. When you click on a title that interests you, you might see the Ultra HD 4K badge just beneath the title. That means that this program is available in 4K, assuming everything in your system is working properly. If none of these suggestions interest you, and you're looking for 4K content specifically, click on the search icon, then enter simply the number 4 and the letter K. The results should appear right away. Click on the thumbnail of the title you want to watch to learn more, looking out for that Ultra HD 4K badge we saw earlier. If you're ready, click here to begin playing your movie or TV show. And there you have it, streaming video that's clear and more lifelike than you've probably ever seen before. Now that you started streaming Netflix in 4K, and since Netflix uses subscriber viewing history to make its recommendations, this listing of Ultra HD titles will likely appear when you browse Netflix in the future, so be sure to keep an eye out for it.